Understanding design needs and earning opportunities. Whether the goal is to become a designer, grow a small business, or earn passive income, Canva combined with AI can help achieve results faster and more affordably than ever before. Most people need designs for things like social media posts, business flyers, logos, and promotional templates. These are essential for brand visibility and growth. But with the skills covered in this course, there's a way to go further and turn these abilities into real income opportunities. How to earn with Canva and AI. Sell templates and digital products. Create Canva templates such as Instagram posts, planners, mood boards, or flyers and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or in a personal online store. Freelancing and social media packages. Offer design and content services to local businesses, influencers, or startups. Leverage Canva brand kits and AI tools like Magic Write to quickly make posts, ads, or branded content. Passive income streams. Design digital products like ebooks, workbooks, journals, or printable planners. List them for sale or offer as freebies to grow an email list and attract more clients. Branding and consultancy kits. Package services as complete branding solutions. Logo, color palette, and template sets. Use AI for name, tagline, and content generation to deliver faster for clients. Recommended best practices. Practice project portfolio. Build a collection of real projects as skills develop. Share these in an online store or use them to reach local businesses. Each finished piece adds to experience and sales potential. Automate content creation. Use Canva's AI features to speed up the content creation process, freeing up more time for business growth or side hustles. Stay updated. Regularly check educational playlists like 100 Days, 100 Canva Hacks, and masterclass tutorials for the latest tips, inspiration, and new earning strategies. Throughout this course, real world examples, step by step walkthroughs, and frequent earning tips will show exactly how to turn creative skills into steady income or valuable assets.